The bullet ant has the most painful sting in the insect world. Fireflies produce light using bioluminescence. Do you think that's nature's magic? The mimic octopus can impersonate other animals like lionfish and flatfish. Dragonflies can fly at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Some ants can lift 50 times their body weight. Honeybees can recognize human faces. There's an insect that can survive being frozen, the snow flea. The bombardier beetle shoots boiling chemicals to defend itself. Certain moths are so fast they can evade bat attacks. Termites are capable of building nests as tall as buildings.